So, you're an expert in your field. You want to monetize your skills and turn it into a business? Then you discover Topmate. It's a platform that offers exactly that. But what if I told you there is a better alternative that is more powerful and easier to use? It's called Nas.io. Nas.io is a community building platform where you can monetize your skills and expertise through a wide variety of options, such as courses, paid live events, digital products and memberships, and even one-on-one coaching. In this video, we are comparing Nas.io and Topmate in detail. We'll break down the key differences between these two platforms so that by the end of it, you'll have a crystal clear picture of what's the best fit for you. On Topmate, the landing page is like a profile page for your business. It shows all your products and services on one page, and you can also add social media links, a bio, and a website to it. On Nas.io, it's a whole different scenario. It's like having your own website. You can customize your landing page by adding a description, a cover photo, a profile image, or a logo. You can also see all your events, courses, digital products, and even a teaser for your community content. On Topmate, you can only sell individual digital products like a PDF or even Google Drive links, but you cannot build and host courses on it. On Nas.io, you can sell both digital products and host courses with a built-in course builder and native video player. You can organize your class videos into modules, organize your digital products into sections, or combine them both in one folder. And the best part, every content piece you make will get its own landing page that you can share on your social media pages. You can create free and paid live webinars on both platforms. On Nas.io, you can also get a dedicated landing page just for that webinar, also allowing you to share it on social media. You can also manage live events more professionally. How? Once you get your events scheduled, you can integrate Zoom, send calendar invites, and connect a chat group. Even set it up as an in-person event. The possibilities are endless. This is where Nas.io has a very big advantage over Topmate, because Nas.io does support memberships. You can also add discount codes and free trial options for your members. On Nas.io, you can integrate your favorite calendar app to offer your members free consultations. You can create paid consultation offers by setting it up as a digital product in the content folder. On Topmate, you can set up your calendar availability and set up paid or free one-on-one consultation calls with various durations up to 60 minutes. You can track your completed and upcoming bookings, and you can also add different calls into one bundle and sell them as a package. Both platforms support global card payments and local payment options like UPI for India, for example. The list of supported countries is growing every day. On Topmate, you can only track who has booked or bought your services. But on Nas.io, you can collect and manage all member details, including their emails and their phone numbers. You can also set up an application form to collect more information. On Topmate, you can set up a priority direct message service where people can pay to chat with you on WhatsApp. This is the only form of engagement within the app. On Nas.io, you get multiple options. First, you get a community feed where you can create posts and interact with your members. Second, you can integrate a chat platform of your choice like WhatsApp or Telegram. Third, you can use Magic Reach to create newsletters, send multiple emails, app push notifications, and WhatsApp direct messages all in one click. Topmate has limited engagement analytics, displaying only the number of products or service purchases. However, it offers detailed revenue analytics to track your earnings, transactions, and payouts. Nas.io offers a wide range of analytics for both engagement and revenue. With engagement analytics, you can monitor member growth, receive weekly engagement reports from your WhatsApp group, and even get your daily summaries of your chat group's conversations to gain insight into member discussions. For revenue analytics, you have access to all the essentials, along with data on discount usage and your best-selling products. Nas.io and Topmate offer similar features, but they differ in how and when you should use them. Topmate is primarily for monetizing your skills through services like one-on-one consulting, calls, and paid chats. It's more about individual expertise and less about the community. On the other hand, Nas.io focuses on building and showcasing your community, its values and activities, unlike Topmate, where the focus is just on the community creator. Nas.io allows you to build lead magnets for your courses. You focus on growing the community before they turn into your customers. When someone buys your product on Nas.io, whether it's a subscription, a one-time event, or a piece of content, they become part of your community. This allows you to have control over user data for those who have bought your product before, making it easier to engage them and promote future products. In short, Nas.io is a one-to-many platform. It's more flexible, has better support, is community-oriented, and emphasizes monetizing your skills through community engagement. Topmate, on the other hand, is a one-on-one platform, ideal for one-on-one consultations and individual product and service listings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.